My name's Lewis Hickey and I'm doing a level 1 course in Hospitality and Catering.
My name is Fernando Brigantin. I'm doing level 1 catering.
Things I like about Brooklands is it's a very open community where everyone's just friendly to you.
You can talk to everyone and we're all just really respectful, and it's just a friendly place to be.
Things I like about my course is I'm learning skills that are going to help me throughout my life.
I've learned so much. There's just so much to take in and it's enjoyable.
The staff are very helpful and things you're going to learn will stick with you more than anything else.
They just show more skills from what I've seen, and it really is just down to the community, and from what we learn, it's really taught me a lot.
Hopefully to start my own business and make a name for myself.
I wouldn't want to leave. I would probably do butchery or something along those lines.
I think it's just getting to experience this course in its entirety, just helping me learn and better myself.
My favourite part of Brooklands, just being with everyone. It's just a nice community and it's a good place to learn. And I've learned so much, and cooking at home has just really improved, and it's really enjoyable. It's worth it.
Hi, my name's Jamie Chantry. I'm the commercial manager and I look after the student canteen, the commercial restaurant and the commercial facilities of the college. I like working at Brooklands College. I like working with the students. They're really engaging. I like working with the staff. We've got a real wealth of knowledge in this department, and a lot of our students go on to do really good things. We teach front of house qualification, so they can learn how to be waiters, restaurant managers. Students are taught classic cooking methods, and part of that is theory based in the classroom. In the last couple of years, a lot of our students have gone. We've had one go to Australia, one is now currently working at Buckingham Palace, and we have two ex-students at the Fat Duck in Bray. So a lot of them go on to good places.